Hi friends, welcome back to channel. In this video, we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty daily analysis. Before starting the discussion, if you are new here and if you didn't subscribe to my channel, do subscribe to my channel to get the latest video updates. So let's start the discussion about the past analysis performance. That is the analysis which I have discussed yesterday. So in yesterday's session, I have discussed that the market can go up to this 18,264 levels. That is our daily target. In the downside, this 18,067 will be acting as a good daily target. And in today's session, the market has went up to this 18,155 levels and it made a low of 18,063.75. So this 18,063.75 level is acting as a good support point. So that's why the market took halt at this level and it tested our daily target on the downside. So our daily target was 18,067 level, and our today the Nifty has made a low of 18,063.75. So overall, in today's session, the market has hit our daily target on the downside, and the market took resistance. Like yesterday's closing price was our resistance point, and the market couldn't sustain above this level, so the market couldn't went up to this 18,188.78 level. So this is the past analysis performance. So coming to the tomorrow's technical analysis. In today's session, the market has opened gap down opening because of this building up of bearish sentiment in the US market, and even in US market there was a good fall in yesterday's session, that is in S&P 500 and Dow Jones and Nasdaq and everything. So because of that bearish sentiment, the overall the Asian markets went down today. So because of that, even Nifty 50 also went down today, and it took support at this 18,060 point. So this is an important support point for today's session. So I thought the market could break this level and can fall further up to this 17,800 levels, but the market couldn't break this level, and the market took very good support at this 18,060 points, and from there the market came up and like market took turnaround from this level. So if we draw a resistance point or trend line from this level, so we can draw a trend line from this level like this. So market went up and again it came down, and again it went up, and again the market is coming down. So if the market comes down tomorrow, this 18,060 level, once again it will be acting as a good support point, and from there we can expect a turnaround up to this level 18,103 levels or 18,095 levels, and from there the market can come down. If the market breaks this 18,060 levels or 18,053 levels, then in tomorrow's session we can expect a good fall in the Nifty. And even if we extend this trend line further, then again this trend line will be acting as a good resistance point. Suppose if we extend this trend line further, the market is holding this trend line again and again, and if the market couldn't break this level in tomorrow's session, this 18,110 level is acting as a area of confluence. So this for tomorrow's session, this 18,110 level will be acting as a good resistance point, and if the market closes above this level, or if the market sustains above this level, then only we can expect a good rally in the Nifty 50. Or if the market closes below this 18,053 levels, then we can expect a good fall in the Nifty 50, and this downside target will be like 17,812 levels, and in the upper side the first target will be like 18,188 levels, and this level is acting as a good resistance point. And once the market sustains above this 180 levels, then we can expect a further rally up to this 18,265 levels, and after that we can expect a further rally up to this 18,371 levels. This is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50 for tomorrow's session. And coming to my trade setup for today's session, so one thing you need to remember in my technical analysis is that I always follow my individual levels, which I will discuss after this. So I will consider my individual levels as the important support and resistance point only, and based upon that only I will take entries and exits. So in generally I won't take any entries in the first 1 hour, that is the formation of initial balance candle. So if I draw a trend line like this, connecting all highs of this first 1 hour candle in 1 minute time frame, so the market has given a good breakout after 10:20 a.m. So after that the market has took correction, and again the market went up. So I was in dilemma whether to take entry here, but the market ran like very rapidly went up because of high momentum, and I waited for another correction. The market took correction, and again when the market was going up, I took entries over here, and from here like 18,099 or 18,100. The main reason for this 18,100 or 101 level, in yesterday's session also I have explained about this 18,102 level. So the market was taking a good resistance point over here. That's why I have been waiting for a breakout up to this level, and my stop loss initially was below this level only, because 18,102 it acted as a good resistance point in yesterday's session, and it acted as a good support point after the once the market has breakout above this level. So I kept my support point my stop loss over here only. The market went up this 18,102 level, and it made a good rally up to this 18,155 level. But my first target was 18,188 level, but it made a high of 18,155 level, closing this gap up opening. And but when if we calculate the gap down opening of the for today's session, it made a retracement of 61.8%, and from there the market is continuously forming a lower highs and lower lows, and finally it is making a pennant pattern. So even in pennant pattern, if we draw the pennant pattern over here, this is the first high made in the pennant pattern, and from there the market has came down. This is the first low, that is A point, and from there it made a second high and third low, and this is the fourth low, and from there it has to make fifth touch, and from there actually the market has to go up like this. But instead of going up from here, the market took a breakout on the downward side. So this is the false breakout, or this is a premature breakout. We can consider this as a premature breakout. So most of the times these symmetrical triangles or pennants will be acting as a continuation patterns rather than a reversal pattern. So we need to wait for a breakout in the same prior trend direction, that is in the uptrend. So the market has to this is the E point, and from there the market has to go up. But instead of going upper side, the market took breakout on the downside. So this is a premature breakout. So I didn't book my profits at this 18,155 level, and then once the market came out of this trend line, that is once the market breakout from this breakout on the downer side, I booked all my profits, and I came out with the minimal profits in the in today's session. So once the market breakout from this session, again the market took support at this previous support point only, like we can see here, and the market took support over here, and again the market retested it. So the market retested it, and again the market came down, again the market went up to this prior trend line, and once the market is coming down from this level, again I took put options over here, and the same put options I have been carrying forward, that is for tomorrow's session. And I'm expecting a fall up to this 18,060 levels for today's session, but the market made a continuous support point at this 18,088 or 18,090 levels. If the market has gone up to this 18,060 levels, then I would have booked my profits for today's session only, but the market didn't wait up to this level. And if the market closes below this 18,080 or 18,060 or 50 levels for tomorrow's session, or if the market opens a gap down opening in tomorrow's session, then we can expect a further fall up to this 17,900 to 17,800 levels in the tomorrow's session. So I'm waiting for a good fall in the tomorrow's session. If the market falls, then I will be in the profits, or if the market doesn't fall, or if the market opens flatly, or if the market opens gap up opening, then I have to book my I have to book, or I have to close my positions in the loss. So this is about my trade setup. And coming to the individual levels for tomorrow's session, in today's session the market has closed at 18,107 level. If the market goes up, this 18,131 level will be acting as a good resistance point, and if the market closes above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further rally up to this 18,206 levels. This level will be acting as a good resistance point, and this level we can consider as a good daily target on the upside. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to this 18,306 levels. This level will be acting as a good extreme target on the upside. If the market considers this 131 level or 145 level as a resistance point, and if the market turns around from these levels, then we can expect a fall up to this 18,084 level. On the downer side, this level will be acting as a good support point, and if the market closes below this level and sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to this 18,010. And for tomorrow's session, this level will be acting as a daily target on the downside, and if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to the 17,913 levels. So this is about the individual levels of Nifty 50, and till now I have discussed about my technical analysis, my my trade setup, and my past analysis performance and individual levels. So let's discuss about the past analysis performance of Bank Nifty. So in today's session, Bank Nifty has made a high of 42,506 levels, and on the downer side it made a low of 42,234 levels. So both these 234 and 506 levels they didn't hit the upside daily target or the downside daily target. In on the, when by examining, we can conclude that the market has made a low of 42,234 level, and it missed the downside daily target by just 40 points. So it almost came nearer to the daily target, but it didn't test the daily target level. So we can consider this as a failed setup, or we missed the downside daily target. So in today's session, even though market has came down and market has given good profits, but it didn't hit our downside daily target nor the downside extreme target. So this is about the past analysis performance. And coming to the technical analysis of Bank Nifty, in today's session the market has opened gap down opening, and from there market tried to move up, and initially the market tried to close this gap down opening also, and finally it formed a shooting star pattern. And after that the market has opened flat, and there was the flat opening on the second candle, that is a 10-15 candle, and from there again market tried to move up. But once the market reached this 42,500 levels, there was a huge selling pressure because of this expiry day, and from there again the market came down, and again it closed at this 42,300 levels. And from there we can see that market has moved flat, that is on the sideways only, and then on the third candle it formed a doji candle, and after that it made a good bearish candle. But once we observe the volume of this bearish candle in the lower levels, we can see that only like below average volume, like half the like 0.5% of the below average volume was participated in this bearish candle. I thought if the market follows this same bearish candle in the next candle, that is follow up candle, then we can take a like short portion in this third candle, like a fifth candle, sorry. But in the fifth candle, instead of coming down, the market made a turnaround, and again it went up, and again it closed at the same point where the fourth candle was opened. So because of that, I didn't made a entry point in this fifth candle. Actually, I thought of taking entry point in this Bank Nifty in this 115 candle, but I waited for this closure below this lowest point, but the market didn't close below this level. So that's why I didn't take any entry position in the Bank Nifty for today's session. Once the market reached like this 12-15 candles highest point, and there the market took the same point as a resistance point, and again the market opened flat, and from there because of selling pressure again the market came down, and again the same point took and again the Bank Nifty took the same point as support point. And coming to the tomorrow's levels, and the final candle the Bank Nifty formed was a doji candle, and it is a inside bar candlestick pattern. So in tomorrow's session, this last 215 candle will be acting as a good support and resistance point. If the market closes above this level, this 42,383 level, then we can expect a good rally up to this 42,550 levels. But if the market closes if the market opens gap down opening below this 42,234 level, or this lowest point of this candle, then we can expect a fall. But even after breaking down below this level, there is an immediate support point like 42,183 level. So market can take support at this 42,183 level, and the market can halt at this level. But if in case the market closes below this 42,183 level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 41,950 or 940 levels. And after this fall, then we can expect a good fall up to this 41,590 or 600 levels. And we can see previously also the market is continuously taking support at this 41,850 levels. So there are immediate support points now and then. So we can expect a stepwise correction or stepwise fall in the Bank Nifty for tomorrow's session. Even if the market goes up, the first target point is like 550 levels, and even after breakout above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to this 42,780 to 42,850 or 840 levels on the upper side. So this is about the technical analysis of Bank Nifty, and I didn't take any position in the Bank Nifty, so there is no trade setup for the Bank Nifty for today's session. So coming to the individual levels of Bank Nifty, in today's session the market has closed at 42,328 levels, and if the market tries to move up, the 42,397 levels will be acting as a good resistance point. And if the market closes and sustains above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further rally up to this 42,618 levels, and this level will be acting as a good resistance point, and we can consider this level as a good daily target on the upside. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to this 42,908 levels, and this level we can consider this one as an extreme target. If the market takes this 397 level or 439 levels at a resistance point, and if the market turns around from these levels, then we can expect a fall up to this 42,265 levels. This level will be acting as a good support point, and if the market closes and sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to this 42,060 levels, and this level will be acting as a good daily target on the downside. And if the market closes below this level, we can expect a further fall up to this 41,792 levels, and we can consider this one as an extreme target on the downside. So friends, this is about the technical analysis of both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and my individual level analysis and past analysis performance, and my trade setup explanation. So I hope you have liked this video and you have enjoyed this video. Kindly do like my videos and do share my videos with your family, with your friends and family members, so that I feel motivated, and I would like to do many more such videos, so that you can gain some knowledge by seeing my way of explanation or my trade setup. So friends, let's meet in another video. Jai Hind.